Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and pretty knitting pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like cardigan, sweater, jacket, scarf, cap, top, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 4 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 3. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 15 stitches on my needle, 15 multiple of 3. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that, knit all the stitches in the first row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back and knit to 1 stitch, then yarn in back and slip 2 stitches purlwise. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, and yarn in back, slip 2 stitches purlwise. Repeat one more time, knit 1 stitch, yarn in back and slip 2 stitches purlwise. One more repeat, knit 1 stitch, yarn in back and slip 2 stitches purlwise. In this way we will complete our second row. At the last I have 2 stitches, so knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, it is a purl stitch. Now in this row we will knit this stitch, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches. One more repeat, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Repeat one more time, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 2 stitches. In this way we will complete our third row. At the last I have 2 stitches, so yarn in back, knit the last 2 stitches. Fourth row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front, slip 1 stitch purlwise, then yarn in back and knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in front, slip 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Repeat one more time. Yarn in front, slip one stitch purlwise, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches. One more repeat. Yarn in front, slip one stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches. In this way we will complete our 4th row. At the last I have 2 stitches, so knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat our row 1 to 4 for the desired length of the pattern. After the 4 rows we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, please like, share and comment and enjoy knitting with us. Thank you.